Hey y'all, it's Naturally Unique. So I talked to y'all a little bit yesterday about starting my lock journey. I didn't give you many details about the locks itself or how I was planning to start. So I'm going to be starting the traditional way from a double strand twist. Well, two strand twist, that's what y'all call them. Two strand twist. I pretty much finished the front half of my hair last night, and so I'm just finishing up the back today, which of course is the hardest to do when you're doing your own hair. So what I did to try to get ahead with that was, as you can see behind me, I rigged up a mirror that I had so that I could see the back of my head. I went ahead and parted it already. Hopefully y'all can see this. I went ahead and sectioned it off already and parted it, and then I can kind of feel and look in the mirror to see where I need to section it off. I didn't want any small locks. I wanted kind of like medium size locks. I wanted about 100 of them. I don't know how many I'm going to have. I kind of been judging by the size of my blocks as I do them because I don't want them too small to where they're thinning out, or whatever. I know I probably will have to eventually combine some, but I wanted to try to prevent as much thinning out and breakage as I could. So I'm going to go ahead and get started with doing the rest of my head. I'm going to do a few just so y'all can see how I'm doing it. Pretty much all I'm doing is parting it and using my applicator bottle of the mixture of oils that I have in here. And I just shampooed my hair with Design Essentials almond and avocado mixture. Now, when I start trying to lock my hair, I will stop using this because it is a detangling shampoo. So it kind of beats the purpose of locks because locks are tangled hair. So this may actually have agents in it to prevent my hair from locking. So I'm not going to use this anymore, even though it smells so good and I love it. Basically, I'm twisting my hair with no product. I'm just oiling the parts as they're sectioned off, and then I'm just going ahead and parting it with the end of this and just double strand twist it. I'll do a few. I think I'm on. I did put a little bit of leave-in just so I'll be able to comb it and part it because, yeah, I don't know how that would have worked out without it. So basically, I start on the side and I kind of just feel for the thickness that I want. And I'll do the side one first since that's the one that I can see. And I just part the hair in half. I kind of ball the hair up, go up to my roots. And I just kind of twist it tight. And I keep my hand in the same amount of tension and the same motion all the way down to the end of the twist so that it's not so lumpy. And it's going to curl up anyway, but I want it to be as consistent as possible, put it that way. So that's what I'm trying to do. Which is hard for me because I'm used to doing like lazy twist outs and stuff. So, alright, and so I just go all the way to the end. And I think when my hair starts to actually lock, it'll probably lock like half the length of what my hair actually is. It'll lock probably like at the shrinkage length. Alright, and so that one a little skinnier than what I wanted. And then this patch, I'm probably going to split this like into two. So, I normally come here, look in my mirror, and then take my clip and pull this up so I can see good. Alright, so half will be about somewhere in here. Then I just kind of look at it. Alright, and then come back, same thing, split it in half. And then kind of go up to the roots. And a lot of people start that start with double strands actually do a plait at the root and then do the double strand. If I was doing someone else's, I would have done it that way, but it's kind of hard for me to do my own like that because my hands cramp up a lot. So I didn't want my hands to start cramping, so that's why I didn't do it that way. It does actually look better. Y'all just got to excuse how I'm looking because I'm trying to be comfortable because I knew this was going to take a while. It took me about, I'd say, an hour and a half to do the front. And I've probably been doing the back for about 45 minutes so far. I think I went faster on the back just because I had sectioned it off and parted it already. And I kind of knew how I wanted to part it. But yesterday when I started the front, I really was kind of unsure of how I wanted to part it. So, and then for those of you probably that are going to ask why I'm not using any product, when my hair locks, I want to use as, like I said, the smallest amount of product possible, just because I want to try to prevent buildup if I can, or have minimum buildup. So, all right, now I'm going to do this last one, and then I'll go ahead and finish up, and then I'll show y'all the end results once I finish my whole head. I just wanted to come and show y'all, since I really didn't talk much about how I was going to lock them. So, yeah, so that's pretty much it. I mean, it's a million twist videos, but I just wanted to show y'all how I was doing mine. And I'll come back later to show y'all like the maintenance routine and what I'm washing with and all that good stuff. You know, how I'm maintaining the locks too. But I just wanted to kind of show you how I was starting off. Hey y'all, so I'm finally finished. Altogether, I think it took me about 2 hours and a half to install them all. Like I said, I didn't want them too small. I wanted them like medium sized. Because I'm mostly going to be maintaining it myself, and I don't want to be twisting a whole lot of locks. So, they're not perfect, of course, because I did them myself. And you really can't see good. So, that's what we got in the back. And I kind of parted it so I can be able to pull them to the side and do like a side part or whatever. Deep side part if I wanted to. I'll probably just have to kind of like mold it down so that it actually stays. Because as you see, it keeps jumping back over. But yeah, that's it. So this is how I'm going to lock it. And I'll just keep my scalp clean. I won't be doing, I may actually redo this one because that one is kind of thick. I am going to be keeping my scalp cleaned and moisturizing probably with like some rose water, and just keeping my scalp oil with my oil mixture I have in my applicator bottle. And I'm going to try not to do too much styling because I kind of just want to leave them alone a little bit so they can just, you know, form the way they want to form without me doing too much manipulation to them. So yeah. But yeah, I just wanted to come and show y'all the end result. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, and comment. Bye.